if you look at your Instagram analytics and you don't know what to look at,
Yep.
it'll just be an overwhelming number.
Exactly.
But what should somebody look at?
So there's only two things you actually should look at. One of it is the view rate past the first 3 seconds, and that's where your hook comes in. So all poor performing videos have less than 30% view rate past the first 3 seconds, which means only 30% of people are watching it past the first 3 seconds, which means that if a video has done at a 30% rate, it means that my hook is just simply not good enough. And then I think about, okay, how do I change this to increase the first 3 seconds? Now, once you have gotten them to watch the first 3 seconds, which is the second most important thing, which is your average view retention rate. If your average view rate is very low, maybe let's just say you're putting out a 60-second video and people are watching it at around 10 seconds, that means that you're giving away something too easily. You're not building up the suspense enough. And you need to think of how do you really build up the suspense in a way that they want to figure out, you want to push it somewhere between 20 seconds or 15 seconds. And that's when you get a video that does well. Because at the end of the day, the algorithm serves two parties. It serves you and it also serves the people that are watching. A lot of content creators always say the algorithm is not on my side. No, it's actually not the algorithm. I think people just don't watch your videos and it just doesn't watch it enough, And if you look at why, it's because the first 3 seconds doesn't hook someone in, so the algorithm just doesn't push it out. It's as simple as that. Yeah, I think that's the most two things. If I were to restart this whole thing, I would just focus on those two things: the view rate past the first 3 seconds and the average view rate in general. Yeah,
they're really important things for somebody who is an emerging content creator.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing that.
Yeah.
But I think they're really important for businesses also.
Exactly.
Do businesses, in your opinion, very broadly, have an understanding of that kind of analytical metrics?
I have seen businesses who have, but they have hired a marketing team for it. The thing is, I've seen businesses who also don't understand it, but also succeed. And the reason why they succeed is, I guess, they're just persevering through it like madness. So they have 3,000 over posts and they have maybe 4K followers and stuff like that. But I think a large portion of them still don't understand that. And that's perfectly fine because this is not their main thing. The main thing is still to run a business on a day-to-day. Yeah. So, but if they can improve that and make their story interesting and tell a story about their restaurant, I think that's what would, or whatever business that they do, I think that's what would skyrocket it, Yeah.